Have you ever thought how much a million is? Yeah, that's a lot of money. You're right. But when we talk about it in terms of place value, there's a lot to think about. How many zeros do you think are in a million? So I grabbed this little place value chart from mathatube.com, so thank you. And I asked you, how many zeros are there in a million? Well, let's take a look. I have the ones place here, the tens place, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So this is where we're going to stop right here. Let's go ahead and we'll put our zeros in. So there's 1, the ones place, 0 tens, there's 2, 0 hundreds, 0 thousands, 0 10,000s, 0 100,000s, and I said 1 million. So what is that? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. 6 zeros. You hit the jackpot with that. So I'm going to write another number here. How about 3,456,722? So let's change the pen color here to red. I'm going to circle a number here. You tell me where on the place value chart this lands. So how about the 6? Thousands, correct. That's the thousands place. How about the 4? Yes, that's in the 100,000s place. And lastly, we have 3 million. We might be asked about what's the value of a number. So for instance, if I say 4,225,605, and someone might ask you, what's the value of the 6? Well, let's take a look. That's in the hundreds place, so that must be worth 600. Now, let's take a look at another number. So now what's the value of this 2? We have to look at, well, that's in the 100,000s place, so that's worth 200,000. So what we want you to come away with for place value is that the value of a digit, right, is determined by its place in a number. Well, I know you have a better example of place value, so why don't you go ahead and show me.